What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at TeraWulf. Given the situation of things right here, TeraWulf is doing very well. We could see it went off massively yesterday. Now, with the situation of things right here, I think this is the first time. Obviously, this is the first time I'm making a video on TeraWulf, and I will continuously analyze stocks on this channel, new stocks that I haven't analyzed before. I'll try as much as I can to cover as many stocks as I can, but I will keep the top 20 stocks active every week. Obviously, I'll keep on updating us on majority of those stocks every week. So given the situation of things right here, we will see TeraWulf is been up, and based on what I can see right here, also TeraWulf has been rallying massively for the longest. You would see even from the monthly time frame, it has been actually been rallying massively, and we could also see for a fact that it's still in an uptrend, regardless of the fact that it's looking very bearish at the moment. TeraWulf is still in a very serious uptrend right here. I need to take this to 1 peak Zeus so that we could see this stock very well. We could see right here that it's still in an uptrend, and given the situation of things right here, you could see that we weren't able to majorly break above this major resistance right here at $24.87. We got rejected from there after this fake out, and you could see we have been dumping ever since then. Now, does this mean that this is the end of this dump? I honestly do not think so. I do not think so that this is probably going to be the end of this pullback or correction right here. But one thing is certain right here, that we're at a level of support, hence the reason why we had that spike yesterday. TeraWulf is at a level of support right here. So you could see, if I should move this to the weekly time frame right here, you could see that TeraWulf actually hit support yesterday. That was the reason why it rallied. You could see we've retested this level so many times right here. You could see we've retested it around here. We also retested it around here also. And I think I need to lock. Okay, I have obviously locked the Fibonacci. We could see right here that we've retested this major support or trend line so many times because it has been acting as support for the longest. And over right here, you could see we have retested it again. So I think this is definitely what we need to take note of right here. We haven't broken below this major trend line, because I think the moment we break below this trend line, we could actually head much lower for TeraWulf right here. And with the situation of things right here, I think we are most likely going to either rally to the upside right here, or we most likely get rejected from this major resistance right here, because obviously we're at this resistance at $18, which is where the pre-market is currently at $18.75. So if we're not able to massively break out of this resistance, we're most likely going to, get rejected from there, drop even lower before probably rallying much higher, or we could end up breaking below major support right here, and we could retest and dump even much lower to as low as probably 13.9 to probably $9, which would definitely be a very good level to accumulate TeraWulf. So I think this is definitely what we need to take note of right here. In terms of the news, we could see right here that the TeraWulf stock jumps 20% after landing 19 billion Anthropic AI deal, which is massive. We will see that the TeraWulf shares surged about 20% on Thursday after the digital infrastructure company signed a 20-year lease with artificial intelligence startup Anthropic for its Justified Data campus in Kentucky. The agreement is expected to generate about $19 billion in contracted revenue over its term. TeraWulf said the 401 megawatt AI data center campus is scheduled to begin operations in the second half of 2027, with full capacity expected by early 2028. So separately, TeraWulf said it entered an agreement to sell its 50.1% ownership interest in the Palantir joint venture to an investor group led by Fluid Stack. The transaction monetizes an investment valued at about $450 million. TeraWulf said proceeds from the sales are expected to strengthen its balance sheet and provide additional capital for wholly owned AI infrastructure project. The company is increasingly focusing on supporting the growing computing needs of AI workload through dedicated data center capacity. The announcements come as demand for AI infrastructure continues to accelerate, with technology companies expanding investments in high performance computing facilities to support large scale AI models development and deployment. So I think this is definitely what we need to notice right here. This is actually a very huge long-term news, but this long-term news, I can't say it's totally priced in, because we are most likely going to get a move to the downside. This is just something that is going to, this is a long-term news, not a short-term news. Hence the reason why it's kind of rally, but we're most likely going to see continuation continuation to the downside if we end up breaking below this support right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.